On any Goalscape that you own or on which you are an administrator, click the Share button. Then check anyone with the link can view. Copy the link and share it with others, or use the embed code in your website. To control how the Goalscape will appear, click the Settings cog. Then use the options in Define View and Hide UI Elements. In Define View, you can choose whether or not to permanently display the focus sidebar and/or the goal detail panel. And in the panel, you can expand notes fields, hiding the other goal details. Under Hide UI Elements, you can decide if you want to hide certain content and features. Selecting Focus Filter plus Goal List will hide this feature completely, including the button to open the sidebar. This is useful when you only want to showcase the goal structure without offering any filtering or other agile goal management options that are available when you share Goalscapes privately. Hiding download options will prevent public viewers from downloading your Goalscape, and you can hide the entire goal details panel on the right or only parts of it. This makes this feature super flexible for almost any context. You can even restrict whether people can view your Goalscape project by allowing embedding only in specific domains. This provides an extra level of protection for your public content. It will only be seen where you want it to be seen. Once you have made your selection, click Save. Then check how others will see your Goalscape when they click the link. Open an incognito window and paste the URL there. So this feature actually opens up new use cases for Goalscape. For example, you can share a learning curriculum as a public Goalscape and allow people to download it as a Goalscape GSP file. Then users can upload it into their own Goalscape accounts, where they can customize it according to their particular requirements and start using it to work through their goals, marking their progress as they go.